50 million naira. 50 million naira? If I can step down for Honourable Adeosun. I want you to go and announce now that Honourable Adeosun wins the primary election automatically.
Oh, go. Oh, they go, lopo, because you're very stupid. Yeah, because no, but stupid. Oh, in the country, lots of one live work on my offer me this shit. Okay?
Miss Alawepo, Momo Powo no lo nwa lo, kò sí nǹkan méjì. And this is a very juicy offer of 50 million naira.
So, Adeosun ti wá di olówó gbogbo tó ń ṣílẹ̀kùn fọlé. He believes that he can buy me with 50 million naira? No, I'm too expensive for that. No, kó lọ sọ fún. But èmi ò ń ṣe politician tó ń gba rìbá kiri o. I am quite different and unique. Èmi ò sí lára àwọn ọ̀jẹ̀lú, òṣèlú lèmi ń ṣe. Ṣé ti gbọ́? And please mind you, tell him that I don't want to ever see you again. And if you ever try me, you will regret the day you were born.